as someone who is pursuing game design and a master level course, I was really interested in using the principles of game design in a manner that helps and motivates someone. And this project, what I was working on, has been the best that I could have got from a company. I got to interact with kids, their parents, and I understood their concern, what motivates them, what demotivates them. People were so welcoming, and I get to learn a lot by interacting with them. And I saw how teams work. I personally would definitely recommend someone to work with him as an intern or in any way possible. Actually, the level of enthusiasm people here for education and to improve the quality of education we have in India, like it's phenomenal, and you get to learn a lot here.